Listen, my child, you say to me, I am the voice of your history. Be not afraid, come follow me. Answer my call and I'll set you free. I am the voice in the wind and the pouring rain. I am the voice of your hunger and pain. I am the voice that always is calling you. I am the voice I will remain. I am the voice in the fields when the summer's gone, the dance of the leaves when the autumn winds blow. Nor do I sleep through it all the cold winter long. I am the force that in springtime